base their whole existence on the car they drive or the clothes they've worn. And we get all proud to rep our city, Chi-Town, and even the month that we were born, September. See, everybody loves their different story. Everyone on earth has a different call. But before the details get too gory, there's one thing that unifies us all. We are Christ representers. See, we are Christ representers. See, and we shine a light so bright that we make them say, whoa. We gotta let them know that we are Christ representers.